This is just a way of speaking, live from Niagara Falls, Canada. As you see here, where Canada and the United States of America meet. And today I'm here with friends to visit the splendor of this natural wonder through a boat tour, the Bird Kingdom, and a flying saucer restaurant, and maybe see other things too. And without further ado, now here's a slideshow of everything that I've seen throughout this trip. So hope you enjoy yourselves. Okay, and right now I'm standing on one of the Hornblower cruise boats. It takes a 20-minute tour of the Niagara Falls. Pretty shortly we'll be able to see some pictures of the falls up close, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Now we're here at the Bird Kingdom, which is the world's largest free-flying indoor aviary, with many birds from many places around the world. And one of my favorite places to be here in Niagara Falls. And I've only been here once, many years ago, when my late dad was alive. And I really had a good time with him back then. So now I'm just here again to honor this kind of memory. And I hope you enjoy the pictures of the many birds found here. Here we are at a last stop, the Flying Saucer Restaurant, a place where really enthusiasts would like to come dine in. And that is all the place is I've been for today. And enjoyed some of it. Enjoy the rest of the pictures. Hope you enjoyed this first entry in a series I like to call The Autistic Traveler, which is me. And hope you have a great day.